I'm Uncle Mark. Thanks for joining me. I'm just looking for where the starter relay is on this 2011 GMC Terrain. It's pretty easy to find. Guy pops the hood, and you'll see there's a fuse block box here. It's just held on with two little tabs or snaps. This is what they look like. You just squeeze them together like that, and it unlocks. There's one on this side, so just grab the two of them with both hands, just squeeze them and pull up. It's that easy, and it should come off. Once you have it off here, there's a legend inside. It tells you what all the relays and fuses are for. And the one we're looking for is this one right here. I believe it's number 67, which is that one right there. That is your starter relay. And there may be all sorts of reasons why you're looking to find that. It might be that maybe nothing's happening when you turn the key on. So you may want to take that out and swap it with another one. And in this case, we can do that. There is one that's available. So 67 is right there. Let's give it a couple wiggles. And it should pop out. And that's what it is. That's what it looks like. It's got 4 terminals. And you could swap it with, there's a number on the top here. So you'll see they're numbered a little differently. If it's the same number, you should be able to swap it. I'm just going to put this one back in there. But I see it at the top here. I wouldn't swap any of those other ones because it may turn over and then it's not going to want to start. But we see they're different numbers. Some of them are the same. But if you look at the legend here, if we look at the very top, there is one, I believe it's like a brake booster. I think this has got an electronic brake booster. And we can unplug that for now. I don't think I'd want to drive it with that unplugged. And we can just swap the two. And that way, if it is the relay, here's the one up here. That's the one we could swap it with. If you take them and just swap them, and the vehicle starts, you know there's something wrong with that relay. If it's still the same, well, then you've got another problem. Maybe it's a power or ground going to that relay. Could be something else. But that's where it is. Once you figure it all out and know what you're doing, put it back in there. As I mentioned, that other one there is the same number. But these three here control a whole bunch of other different things, so it's not going to run if you swap those. And there is something wrong with the relay. Now, if it is the relay, you can just go and take the broken one and go and get it replaced, either from a GM dealer or from an auto parts store. Then you should be back on the road in no time. Hopefully that's your problem. If you just give me another moment of your time, I'm going to tell you how you can find more videos on this vehicle that maybe can help you in the future. Just make sure the top lid clicks down properly and you close the hood and you're on your merry way. So an easy little trick there to see if you do have a bad relay by switching it with a good relay. Now you'll be having your starter working, so you can just go to a parts store and get the old relay replaced. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. You can also subscribe down in the corner if you haven't already, and that way you'll get notifications of the next video that I have out, which is usually one a week, if not more. Plus, since you have a GMC Terrain, or maybe you have its cousin or sister or brother, whatever it is, the Chevy Equinox, put a playlist right above here. The blue circle, you'll see that flashing yellow arrow, and that brings you to a card that'll bring you to a playlist that'll bring you to a whole bunch of videos on this exact vehicle. Until next time, I'm Uncle Mark saying you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Just by switching them with a known good relay. Of course, you want to switch them back if that doesn't work. Until next time, you stay safe.